Hey guys, so I just want to share a little tip with you. I'm not sure how many persons on here is familiar with packing cubes, had used them before or heard about them. But guys, let me tell you, a good friend of mine introduced me to these and it has been a game changer. Like what I did was to basically I roll the clothes. A lot of persons pack this way already, but the packing cube, it keeps everything compact and you can just zip everything together when you're finished. So you basically zip everything together. Of course, this can hold a lot more stuff, but just for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna put these few items in, and you basically just zip it around, and there it is. It's all zipped up, guys. And see, of course, I have room, can put some stuff on top here, and this can hold a lot of clothes. You just need to roll it tightly, and basically you just fit it in your suitcase when you finish. See guys, so this suitcase can hold two of these, and then you can even stuff things around in these areas, you know, stuff things around in the areas right here if you want to do it towards the back. But trust me guys, I am the world's notorious overpacker. And when I'm going anywhere, I basically take a carry-on bag and also a check luggage, and most of the times I don't use all of the clothes. It was just a waste of time and a waste of money paying for check luggage. This time guys, I was able to take on just a carry-on bag, guys, and I use maybe just half of the stuff that were in there just to show you. And I just want to also, it's actually a set that I bought. These are, I have already emptied out everything because I was traveling over the weekend, but this one is another one, and then inside of it you have this one here that you can put like your makeup and stuff in. So you basically have this, you know, you can stuff down your eyeliner, pencils, whatever you want to put in there, and it have these pockets as well, and you zip it up. And you have this big one, and also there's one that I use for my shoes. It has a drawstring. It can really hold a lot. I was able to put about 3 pairs of shoes in this, 2 heels and a flats. Yeah, but and I have some, I have more, but I don't know what to do with them because I didn't use everything. But it's about 6 pieces in the whole set, and I bought it on Amazon. If you guys would like me to drop the link in the bio, I can do that for you. But otherwise, you can just go to Amazon and just type in packing cubes, guys. Trust me, when I tell you, I always tell people there's no way I can travel. Guys, I'm just coming off a 5 days vacation, and I did not use half of the clothes. I probably have about 4 dresses that I still didn't use, and 2 bathing suits. Trust me. So guys, when I tell you, take it from me, it can work, because I thought it was impossible for me to travel with just a carry-on luggage. Tested and proven it works. Get yourself some packing cubes. Later, and happy traveling.